Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the latest TCS onboarding updates. So first of all, we are going to talk about the January joining that the TCS has released now. So we are also going to see the next step portal status. Next we are going to talk about what about the rescheduled candidates, right? The candidates whose joining got rescheduled. After that we are going to talk about the common doubts or we are going to discuss about the common comments that we have got on our previous TCS onboarding update video. So for all this, make sure that you watch the video till complete end so that your doubts will automatically be cleared, because many a times I already clear the doubts in the video, but still some of the candidates do not watch the video till complete end and they ask the same queries in the comment section. So it will be beneficial if you watch the video till complete end. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any updates from the channel. And you can see that I have uploaded a video 4 days ago related to the TCS offer letter released, and there are like almost 140 comments on this video. So I have taken some of the common or the most important doubts from this video and I will discuss that in this video. Also, if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure to do, as I regularly upload job postings there as well. So first of all, let's start with our discussion. So this is the next step portal update, right? Now this is for the candidates who have got their joining letters, okay, and the joinings are there in the month of January. So we are going to see complete details like when is the joining date and all of those things. So first of all, you can see that the offer letter accepted was on 15th of November 2021. So it is more than a year that the offer letter was given. So offer letter was accepted on 15th of November and the ILP eligible was also shown on 19th of November, right? So after 19th of November, the next update is 3rd of January. So ILP schedule happened on 3rd of January 2023. So it take almost 2 years to give the ILP schedule, right? December 2022. So it would not be 2 years, but it would be more than 1 year, like 1 year and 1 month. So this is the next step portal status update. Now let's talk about the joining letters. So first of all, TCS has released the joining letters for candidates. Now some candidates who got the offer letter in November and December 2021 has got the joining updates. So this joining update is about those candidates. So there are 2 joining dates in January, 23rd of January and 30th of January. Okay, and locations are Mumbai, Indore and Bangalore, etc. So these are the major locations that most of the candidates have received. If any one of you has received any other joining location other than this, let me know in the comment section. And ILP schedule status has been updated on 3rd of January 2023. Okay, so these are the latest updates. And so who all of the candidates have got this joining letters? So recently in November, what has happened is TCS has sent a survey mail, okay, to the candidates. Now this survey mail contains basically the joining preference locations. So in the survey mail, location preference was asked, and in the location preference 4 options were given, that is Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, and the 4th option was none. Okay, and mostly the candidates who filled the survey have got the joining letters, and even some of the candidates have select none as the location preference. They have also got the joining location as Mumbai only. So these all are the candidates who got the joining letters. Moving on to the next updates. As the company has mentioned previously that the joinings will be given in Jan, therefore they have started giving the joinings. So if you have seen my previous videos also, I regularly have mentioned that the company will start giving the joinings from the month of January, and you can see that they have started giving the joinings now, because December was the complete month of recession, and even in the November only the interviews had happened and not too much joinings were given. So now the condition is getting back to normal and joinings are started getting back to normal. More joinings are expected in the upcoming months, and many candidates will be onboarded till April. So almost like if you are also waiting for your joining, and if you have your offer letter in hand of TCS, you can expect your joining till April. Okay, so you should be patient enough and you should wait for some time. Only few rescheduled candidates got the joinings as of now. So in the January there are 2 joining dates, right? 23rd and 30th of January. So in those 2 days only few rescheduled candidates have got. Now many comments I get, like rescheduled candidates ask that whether we will get the joining parallelly or we will get the joining afterwards, after the fresher candidates, right? First of all, whether the fresher candidates will be onboarded and after that reschedule will be onboarded, or whether the joinings will be parallelly. So always, whether it will be a rescheduled joining or the joinings of the freshers, or every joining will be given simultaneously. It is not like first of all the freshers joining will take place and after that any other. So all the joinings will be parallelly. Don't be worried about that. Okay, now let's take some common doubts. So these are some of the common doubts. First of all, passport is necessary at the time of joining. So yes, passport is compulsory. So if you do not have your passport in hand, make sure that you apply for it and get your passport prepared. Next is from Divine Soul. Is it compulsory to fill background check for before joining letter? Because I am stuck at the mobile number column, it is showing error. So okay, so it is not compulsory that you should complete your background check before you get your joining letter. So most of the cases your portal will be open once you get your offer letter, right? So what I suggest always is, please prepare all the documents with you, and once you have all the documents prepared, then what you can do is, once you get your joining letter, after that you can upload all the documents, because there is a gap of some days, like around 20 days you will have between your joining letter and your joining date, right? So in between those 20 days you should upload your documents, and before that, after getting the offer letter and between getting the joining letter, what you should do is, you should prepare all the documents one by one. So this is the answer for that. Next is Amrit Raj. My interview was held on 1st of November. How much time should I have to wait for the offer letter? So for all the November candidates, you can see that already the offer letters are released for some of them, and for some the status is still badged. So you should wait for some more time. As I already mentioned that they will try to release all the offers and try to give the joinings as well till April. So wait for some time. You may also expect the results. Moving on to the next comment, that is, I have given my Ninja interview for TR and HR and now it is showing badged. What should I do? I am nervous. So basically, if you have given your interview, right, now that your task is done, there is nothing that you could do now. You should only wait, and also don't be totally dependent, right? What you could do is, you can give the interview, right, what you have already done. Now the next thing is getting the offer letter. So if it is showing badged on the portal, you can wait and you can expect that you can get the result. But if it is rejected, then the chances are very rare, right? Because we have seen that in the previously also, for some candidates, status even gets changed from rejected to badged, right? So if it is badged, you only have to wait. You only have to check the portal. If it is getting updated, then it is good, and otherwise you can just apply for the different companies. So keep on applying, right? Keep on applying to different companies. Don't be totally dependent on the offer letter of one company. I always say this. Next is, please answer my question. All are service-based companies like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, etc. giving work from home or work from office. So right now you can see that the scenario is like Wipro has completely stopped the virtual onboardings. Whatever the joinings that they are giving are like from work from office only. Now coming to TCS, so what TCS is doing right now, they are onboarding the candidates virtually, but after some time they are calling the candidates to office. So like if you are getting the joining of TCS or any other MNC, you can expect that your joining will be you have to report to office. Okay, so the condition is getting back to normal, so you have to report to office. Next is, hey, I accepted the offer letter for TCS, but can I still give the interviews for other companies? Will there be a problem? So this is from Akila. So Akila, this will definitely not be any problem, because once you have the offer letter of TCS, there is no such criteria that you cannot apply for other companies or you cannot give the interviews for other companies. Even if you join the company, there is no such criteria that you are not you should not give the interviews, right? Even though there is a bond, but if you are ready to pay the bond and leave the company, you can give the interviews. So giving interviews is a totally different thing. You can definitely give interviews for other companies too. Next is, if we fail in that Explore program, then we get the job or not? Okay, so Explore program is just an additional thing for you to avail the joining bonus from the company, as well as it is good for you only, that you can get trained on different digital technologies, right? So Explore program, even if you fail the Explore program, or even if you do not qualify your IPA or CPA exams, then also your job is definitely secured. Next comment is from Raghav Arya. I received my offer letter and I accepted, but till now I haven't got a mail from TCS Explore. how do I get access for the Explore program? So basically, once you accept your offer letter, your status will be offer letter accepted in the Next Step portal, and after that, related to Explore program, you do not have to do anything. They will automatically be sending you the email related to the TCS Explore program. You just have to wait, and after 20 to 25 days or approx in 1 month, they will definitely send you the Explore mail. So next comment is, so this is related to TCS BPS role. Hello, I received my offer letter from TCS for the BPS role. After that, it is showing ILP eligible. Still now, I did not get any kind of call or any kind of mail from TCS about my joining. So my question is, after getting ILP eligible, what will be my next step to do, and within how much days I will get my joining letter? So you can see that someone has already answered this question, that my joining is 6 January December 2022, ILP eligible. HR will call you for address verification, and after that release joining letter with 15 or 20 days. So you can see that on our channel there is a wide range of candidates who has joined the company and who are also waiting for their joinings, right? So what you can do is, even if you have any kinds of doubt, you can ask in the comment section. If I am not answering it, there will be someone who has recently joined the company. They will definitely answer your query, and I always try my best to answer your queries. So definitely ask your doubts in the comment section. You will get a reply from me. So with this, we have covered almost all the latest onboarding updates from TCS. Let me know if I have missed anything, or if you have any new doubt, I will definitely going to answer in the upcoming video. Make sure that you join us on different social media platforms like Telegram channel and Instagram page. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive all the latest regular updates. Thank you, and all the best for your upcoming joinings.